Well, it's Tuesday, a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Let's do a shop status report. The 441 Victor, I got the shoes in for the front wheel, the brake shoes, and don't you know, they're not right. Don't know why. These shoes are the ones that theoretically crossed over to the shoes that came out of it, but as you can see, they're different. So we have to work that out with the vendor. So the 441 Victor goes back to weight state. It was going to go on the lift today. The green goddess sitteth right hereth. And the next thing we're going to try, as soon as we get some lift time, is to look inside the primary and make sure that the timing mark on the alternator rotor is in fact accurate. It's just something else to check. We have not been in the primary, so we'll do that next. Who knows? We'll find out. At this point in time, I'd love to say what I suspect it is, but I don't know what I suspect it is. So we'll get that back on the lift as soon as we can. This BSA came in. I haven't been near it. It'll be next on the lift after the bike that's on the lift. The bike on the lift is the yellow bike. We have a brand new Smith's electronic speedometer, and I'm going to install it tomorrow, and then we'll see how that goes. Then my two bikes are sitting here, fully functional. Got them both started. They run like tops. Rode the little one to lunch not too long ago. I'm probably going to put them up for sale pretty quick, but only as a pair. So we'll see what happens with that. I just don't ride them enough. They shouldn't sit here. Somebody should be riding them. So anyway, that's the status of the shop. This is a pretty bike. I've got the side covers for it, of course. And the electronic ignition, not ignition, the electronic speedometer is interesting. And we'll see how it goes tomorrow when I install it. So that's the status of the shop. And I will do another video tomorrow probably.